adventure for you and me. Marshall the Dalmatian rushes in fast. Don't worry, Ryder, I'll help at last. With his fire truck shiny red, he slides and tumbles ahead instead. Chase the police pup barks with pride. With my blue cruiser I'll take the ride. I'll keep the town safe day and night. Everything will surely be double. I'm here, don't fear. With his yellow digger big and strong, he moves the rocks all day long. Rocky says green means go today. I'll recycle and help save the day. With tools and gadgets ready to use, there's nothing Rocky will refuse. Zuma splashes into the sea. Water rescue is perfect for me. With his orange hovercraft so cool, he zooms across the ocean pool. Together the pups run, jump and play, helping Venture Bay every day. Big or small, they answer the call. The Paw Patrol pups help one and all. So if you're in trouble, just yelp for help. The pups will come with a happy yelp. With teamwork, courage, and heart so true, Paw Patrol is here for you. Her venture calls both near and far. The pups are heroes, each a star. From sky to sea, from road to hill, the Paw Patrol helps with skill. So remember, kids, both brave and kind. Helping others is the best you'll find. Just like the pups who save the day,